How to add audio player in Wix. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add audio player in Wix. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And to create an account on Wix, you could also use my affiliate link below the description or earn small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know what is Wix, it is a cloud-based website builder designed to help individuals, small businesses, and organizations to create professional-looking websites without needing coding or technical skills. It offers a drag-and-drop editor, hundreds of customizable templates, and built-in tools for web hosting, domain management, SEO, and mobile optimization. And aside from that, also Wix supports a wide range of website types including portfolios, blogs, online store, and booking-based service sites. To create an account, just click the Get Started or the Login, and you can start signing in using your Google account, Facebook, or Apple ID. Then you will automatically be directed in here. And now from here, all you need to do is simply click Edit Site button on the preferred website of your Wix. But while we're waiting for this Wix Studio to be loaded, the next thing that we need to do is simply go or upload the audio file from our computer files to our Google Drive, which is basically looks like this one, sample audio. Upon clicking on it, it will show us in here the audio file, and we can click the share button on the top right corner, and under general access, kindly select anyone with the link can view or as viewer as a role. Then the next thing that we need to do is simply click again the share button, but instead of that, just click the three dots right here and click open with new tab. Upon opening it in a new tab, we can simply click the file option on the top left corner to see the embed code that we can use to upload in our Wix Studio. By clicking the share button, just simply click get embed link. And then on this pop-up window, all you need to do is simply copy all of this one and paste it directly in our Wix. And now this is basically what our website looks like. To start adding the audio, you can simply proceed on the left side panel some of the editing tools, including add element section. From here, you can click or choose either this one. Under quick add, this is basically the embed code. Upon clicking on it, just click enter code button and simply paste it directly right here. By doing so, click update button to proceed. Then you should be able to see here that the audio file is now being embedded in here. You can simply change the sizes of this pop-up window in our website depending on the sizes that you prefer. So this basically you can simply drag in or drag the corner of it to resize this one, and even change the location of it right here, for example. But that is only the one way on how we can start embedding or adding audio file in our Wix Studio website. Now the other way is that you can use this platform called Help Site. All you need to do is simply sign in here your account and click the widget section. And after that, scroll down until you find under the audio section in here this audio player. By clicking this audio player, just click here create widget for free. Then below, the next thing that you need to do is simply select your preferred widget in here. You have here a variety of template to choose from, but let's say I'm going to choose this one. Or you could also use the other one, which is this Halloween playlist or nature sounds. And by clicking continue with this, the next thing that we need to do is simply upload in our tracks in here by clicking upload tracks, the audio file from our Google Drive or computer files. Now after successfully uploading this, basically what it looks like. Where you can start adding also some of the details including track info, title, artist, cover, and many more. So from here, I'm just going to add random things of details and then proceed by clicking the button below that says add to website for free. By doing so, the next thing that we need to do is simply choose or publish first this one, and to do it, just click the publish button on the top right corner and then select the plan. I'm going to click the free one. By clicking select button, you will be directed, or it will show you on this pop-up window the embed code that you can click the copy code to copy it. And then in here in our Wix website, you simply do the same process, clicking add element section and click the embed link in here, where you can find it under the quick add section. Or alternatively, you could also add more section in here to proceed adding or giving space for this audio. I'm going to click here embed link to proceed. Then we can do the same process of simply pasting by clicking enter code and paste the embed code in here directly. And after updating, you should be able to see the result. And you could also start resizing this one depending on your preferences. And now to see the result, we can click the preview button after successfully publishing it. From here, just click view site and it will show you in here the audio file that has been added if you scroll down in our Wix website right here. So as you can see, this is basically what the audio file looks like after embedded in our Wix website. And also here's the other one that has been added using AppSite. But overall, that is just so you can add audio player in Wix. Thank you.